Well, a little update. It's the end of the season. Here's a Monarch Butterfly, I'm pretty sure caterpillar, eating on one of our milkweed plants. This year, our little bee and butterfly garden really outdid itself. We have had more bees, especially on this Anise Hyssop. There's just one. I'm out here early this morning. By the afternoon, this stuff will be covered. So I'll be putting out, transplanting this to the back of the yard and having it all over the place this year. Here's another one under here, hiding. I had 3 or 4 of them earlier. So I just wanted to point it out that here's a little one here. I don't know if we can see him here. Where is that little fella in the camera? Well, I'm trying to find him for you folks, and it's just not working out. Oh, there it is. There he is. I think that is a monarch. If I'm wrong, comment, let me know what it is. But I'm just giving you a little quick update. It's the end of the season, and there's still a lot going on. As usual, the jalapeno peppers just produced way more than we could even eat. We've given them away. The green peppers have done an absolutely fantastic job. They always do here. We'll be picking sweet potatoes out of this mess before long. The herb garden did well. Rosemary, 2 types of basil, German thyme over there, parsley, and a little bit of dill left, some chives that have gotten buried by all these flowers. The zinnias were great. The gladiolas came up. I've got a bunch of new stuff planted. So just wanted to give kind of a final fall look at the garden before it all starts going away here in another couple of weeks. Thank you everybody for subscribing, and hopefully this coming year will even be better.